Guys, I'm back again with the holiday gift guide must have. Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. In today's video, guys, I'm going to do a product review, and guys, I'm starting a new holiday season must-have series. So I'm going to share with you a lot of unboxing, what it is out there. So if you want to market from some great gift, since Black Friday is coming very soon, so I think, guys, it's a good idea for me to start sharing with you some great items. So if you want to gift them, or if you want to buy them for yourself. In this video today, I'm going to do an unboxing for laser engraving. And guys, I love doing my DIY. For all my DIYers, I really love doing DIY, guys. This laser engraver, guys, you don't need any computer to use it, which is what I love about it. And you can buy it for your kid. Just make sure you just watch them. And it has safety. You can buy it if you want to start a small business. You don't know where to start. You don't have the big money yet to start a small business. This one can be useful. So guys, I'm going to take you along with me for the unboxing. If something like that interests you, I'm going to leave the link of the product in the description box down below. And make sure to buy to my link like that to support the channel with no additional cost to you. Alright guys, let's start doing the unboxing and keep on watching. This is the AlgoLaser engraver machine, guys. Portable and smart with 3.5 inches touchscreen. And guys, I really like it. As you can see, it comes with a manual instruction. And the thing that I really like the most about it, you don't need computers. Compared to the other ones that you need computers, you need to download app, you want to do all those things. With this laser engraver, you don't need all of that. And it's a good to have. And you can use it with SD card, wireless, offline engraving. All those things come with it. Come with a self-developed system for wood, acrylic, and leather. Super easy to use with the built-in app, as you can see. So you can draw, you can do everything. There's no need for you to buy an extra computer if you don't have. You can use your phone. Can be used at home like I'm doing right now, and you can do teaching class with it. Class 1 safety. And guys, it's a must-have if you are on the market for a compact and powerful laser engraver. And guys, I really like it. Once you open the box, guys, you have to make sure you remove everything inside of it, as I'm showing you right now, because in order for you to use it, all the thing must go. It has advanced building library of hundreds of preset program material. Can be updated online if you want. And also possible to record self-writing program support. And guys, as you can see, every part that come with it, so it's super easy to use, super easy to navigate. So I really like the fact you can use it online and offline. And guys, it's a good to have, as I mentioned. So it's small, but it's super powerful. And everything that you need is already inside of it. You can always download more if you want personalize your DIY. And super user friendly, as I mentioned. So the link will be in the description box down below. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. As you can see, my son is doing all the prep and everything for me. So as I mentioned, I cannot stress it enough. You don't need a computer. That's the good thing that I really love about it. I own several laser engraver machine, but this by far one of my favorite because I don't have to go back and forth to computer, to go to app to download my project to print, and then this one is easy for me to use. So for the holiday season coming, for the Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthday, anything that you want. And the thing that you can do, you can engrave things for your kitchen. And that's the project that I'm working on. And you're going to see them throughout my home for this holiday season. And guys, it's super user friendly. And whenever you use it, you have to make sure you have open airway, so too much smoke is not good for you as well. So make sure to have that in consideration. As you can see, and my son is sweating this. I really love the machine, guys. You cannot go wrong with it because it's super compact, it's small but efficient. And guys, make sure to check the link down below if something like that interests you. It's a smart laser engraver, portable, and the screen is 3.5 inches touch screen. So you can draw, you can do whatever you want with it, guys. It's super fast to do. And my son like this. He just created this, so I really like it, the fast way, convenient that you can do your DIY. So you can engrave your cutting board, everything you want to do. It's super easy with it. And guys, as you can see, so powerful for a little thing like that. Super powerful. So make sure to check the link down below if something like that interests you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I hope this video inspired you. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up before you go. And as always, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.